you can earn $48,000 per month with Sora AI text to video. This is a guide on how to use that plus ChatGPT 4. So you can see ChatGPT cranking away here in the background. We're going to talk about that and utilizing this. And my name is Ryan Borden. Let's jump in and look at this. So earning money with Sora and AI text to video is actually much easier than most people even think, even as easy as AI already is. So if you don't know what Sora is, let's talk about Sora for a moment here. Sora is the new text to video set up from OpenAI. OpenAI, of course, is the creators of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, of course, makes images and text, and then Sora will produce video. Now, basically what happens here is you put in some sort of a text prompt, so a basketball through a hoop, then explodes, right? And then you get a video that's spit out. So you're just giving it text, and out comes a crazy awesome video, right? So right now, the way it works is you would go to ChatGPT, for example, and you'd say, give me an image of an exploding basketball, right? And it can do that, but it's just a give me an image. Image is a keyword. So when Sora usage comes into play, you're just saying give me a video, right? So it just changes it. So Sora isn't actually out at this moment. There's great debate on when it's coming out. Some of the higher ups have said, in a couple of months. Some have said later on this year. Some have said, experts have said next year, right? So there's different debate even among people there, but there's no official release date for Sora. But Sora is a concept, and the concept is that we can use AI to make and text to make video. So we make video out of text, right? That's the concept. So all of these things that you're seeing here are literally, they don't exist. It's just made up out of someone's text imagination. They said do it and it did it. So what I want to show you here is how you can use text to video right now. You can still make video from text right now with AI. It's just not using Sora. It's a different strategy. So there's a method here to make money. Now the method is Sora ready. So as soon as Sora comes out, all we do is plug Sora into it, and nothing else changes, just Sora plugs in. The quality of the video goes up because Sora can produce a better quality video, at least based on their samples, than what currently exists. And so the quality goes up, and so with the quality, and these people aren't real, so with the quality should go up, retention time and people watching it and all those sort of things, which ultimately translates to more people watching it and then more people buying from you, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to use video to get people to buy from us, and when people buy, they get paid. It doesn't matter if you're a business owner, if you have your own products or services, or if you are doing affiliate marketing or selling someone else's products or services. However it is, from white label to affiliate to your own, it just is going to work the same way, right? So now that we kind of talked about Sora, I want to mention before we get too deep into this that there is a giveaway. You can jump over to bestaigiveaway.com and enter to win $1,000 worth of monthly prizes. So I would totally do that, because why not? And then if you could do me a favor and leave me a yes down in the comments if this video is helpful for you, because I want to make sure that we are on the right track and that I'm giving you some videos that you want, right? Because I don't want to waste your time. I want to give you what you want. So we talked a little bit about prompting. You saw at the beginning ChatGPT cranking through here. It's actually writing some video scripts for me. So these are fully featured video scripts that I could use to turn into video. The reason that they're here is because when you make a video, you have some sort of motion, which right here we see the motion, the dog is moving, but there's no sound right here. So the camera's moving, the dog's moving, whatever, but that's the motion, right? Then we have some sort of audio, which is me talking right now, right? And then we have the idea. So the idea is what's going to say. So the idea you're hearing right now is what I'm conveying to you about how to make money with AI text to video. The motion is the movement, and then the words are, the audio itself of what actually is being said. So right here, the idea would be these scripts right here. So here's 13 video scripts right here. I have an 11-page ChatGPT prompt that I punch in, and it gives me the type of videos that are performing very well. And so these scripts will wind up being turned into videos with 2 clicks with AI that then works well. So how does that work? Well, basically, we're utilizing top 3 website videos right now, right? There's more than one way to do this. I'm showing you one way here. Obviously, the world has more than one possibility. And so this is kind of like an inbound marketing strategy. If you are a business owner, you might be familiar with that term. If not, that's okay. All it really means is that we're going to put up some videos. People are going to watch them, be interested in the videos. We're going to give them some websites to go to. They're going to go to the websites. They then have the opportunity to buy something, and then when they buy, you get paid. So pretty straightforward. Again, whether it's your own products or services or your affiliate white label, it doesn't matter. It works. So what is this? Let's look at a video like this right now so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. So let me go here.
Check out these 5 websites that feel illegal to know. AIschedulingtool.com can automate your posts on any social media platform while you sleep. That's crazy. Shineify.com can generate AI videos similar to the one shown here in just 1 minute. Incredible, right? ScaryToolbots.com presents a collection of AI tools for which you can register as an affiliate partner to earn passively. The new DFY.com can send millions of messages to businesses in just 1 click. The last website, just reply with yes, and I'll send it to you.
Right. Okay. So you understand the concept. We're basically giving them some information about a website. We're applying some emotion to it. You can hear the whispering. We do secret type themes or mystery or scary type themes just because we want to create emotion. People don't generally make decisions when they are, out of lack of emotion. Just you can study the psychology. So we use those sorts of themes to give it a more emotional appeal and make people feel something and put them in the state where they can then make a decision to do something, such as visit the website. In here, we listed off multiple websites. We own all the websites. So whenever someone goes there, it's to different products or services, but whenever someone goes to the website, it just redirects them to where we want them to go. So for example, the first
Check out these 5 website that feel
here,
illegal to know.
AI scheduling tool. Someone sees it, they're like, okay, cool. They go there, it redirects them to where we want them to go. So if we actually go there, AI scheduling, if I can spell it right, AI scheduling tool, what happens is they show up here, but then we can grab their email address, right? And once we have their email address, now they've come over here, but this is an affiliate link for a tool called Radar, which lets them schedule their social media posts. So now if they buy, we get paid, which is pretty cool. So there's actually an entire list. If you want it, you can go to scarybottools.com and you can get the list. And this is a list of companies that will pay you to promote them. You can see Radar here is the tool we just did. And Shineify we'll talk about that in a second. But there's a lot here, right? So go sign up. You can get this list, and then you can, if you need stuff to sell, if you have your own products or services, no worries. Use what you already have, of course. And so basically that's the type of video that we are creating. We talked about the motion, the idea, and that sort of stuff. Now, how do we create this? Well, we first need some websites. So that's pretty easy. So if you have your own products or services, you're pretty much set. If you sign up as an affiliate, they're going to give you big, long links. So you can see this sort of thing with this big, long tracking. Obviously, no one would type that in. And so what we do is we register a domain on Squarespace because Squarespace gives us free SSL forwarding. And then we go into the website and we create what's called a forwarding rule. So we just put an @ right here. We put in the actual affiliate link. So here's a big, long affiliate link. And it's just bestaivideocreator.com. So if we go to bestaivideocreator.com, it's going to redirect to this big long affiliate link, and then someone again can buy. And if they go down here and buy, then we get paid. And this is a monthly recurring subscription, so we get paid every month, which is, I like recurring stuff. And so the redirect, all it is you put the ad up here, you put your link, your affiliate link, choose 301 permanent redirect, hit save, and it's already saved. Otherwise, you hit save and away you go. And then it just works. That's literally it. So then we can put these very short 2 to 3 word websites in our videos. And so they're easy for people to type out. They're easy to tell their friends about. They're easy to remember. And they're easy to visit, which is the most important thing, so that they can buy and we can get paid. Now, once we have that, we need to actually make our videos. Now, we have 2 options really to do that. There is a free program called CapCut. We can pop open CapCut and we can make videos. So here's a project. This one isn't completed, but you can see it's well on its way. It just needs another slide here. So we first would generate images using ChatGPT. We'd say, give us some images for our script. So we have the script already right here. We could generate the images for the script. And then we're going to take each image and stick it in here, drag it down here. Then I've got to use keyframes on these things. You can see if I click on it, there's these little diamonds that show up right here. And so you see a little white diamond there, a little white diamond here. And then we create motion that way. So we use the keyframe to create motion, etc. Right? Then you can see the words here, the yellow words. That's the thought or the idea of the script itself. That is our ChatGPT script that's right here. Then we have the actual audio, which is here. I'll just play it for you. I think it's in this is my AI voice.
Shh, big secret. 5 AI video tools that'll make your hair.
Obviously, that's not my AI voice. That's a different AI voice. I thought this was mine, but that's a different video I was thinking of. So, and we combine it all together. This process takes about 30 minutes. It requires that you have a ChatGPT subscription, which is $20 a month. Then it also requires that you're going to need something from 11 Labs to create the actual audio. They do have a free plan, gives you a couple of videos, but then if you want to make more, you're going to need either they give you a discount the first month, but then you're going to need the $5 plan or the $22 plan. So you're at $25 to $40 a month, right, to run this. And then it's going to roughly take you about 30 minutes per video to make them on average once you get it down. The first videos, as you're learning the process, might take an hour or 2 to kind of get it together, right? So 30 minutes. Now, that's fine. And on the whole, like, it's still better. I've made lots of short videos, like putting my face on camera, and it's still better to have ChatGPT write the script and do this in 30 minutes than it is to do it manually, right? Most people don't like to make videos. I've had a lot of boot camps and private calls, coaching calls and stuff in the past, and like what people really struggled with was making videos. No one wants to make videos, right? I don't even, I make videos all the time. You can see them here on the channel, but I don't even love making short videos, the vertical type videos. It's not that I don't love them. I actually like making videos. It's just that there are days where it's tedious, right? You're tired. You don't know what to say. You got to think through it. And some days that flows naturally, and some days it's a lot of work. The cool thing about this method is AI is doing the thinking and a lot of the heavy lifting, but we can make it way better than this. So in the boot camps in the past, like a year ago, everybody's like, we don't want to make videos. And it was evident because nobody would do it. Right. And so what we did was created a tool that actually makes the videos for you. Right. And so we're in a boot camp right now, a live boot camp. You can check it out. It's soaringriches.com. And there's been some live classes. We've had 5 live classes so far. We got, multiple weeks more of live classes, but going through teaching a process, how to make money with AI text to video. And I showed how to do it manually, and everybody's like, oh my goodness, it's so much work. And I was like, I agree, it's too much work. And they're like, is it easier? Is there an easier way to do this? And there is an easier way to do it. You can actually go to Shineify, which is shineifybot.com, and you can get the trial for like $1 for 30 days, but then it's only $27 a month, right? So you don't have to have that $20 ChatGPT plan plus the 11 labs and that sort of stuff. And when Sora comes out, the price of everything is going to go up because Sora is likely to be expensive. And so that said and done, this, once you're in here, then the price doesn't go up, right? And you can even go bigger if you want and get like the whole annual subscription and get a whole lot more and that sort of stuff. But nonetheless, you can get started for like $1 and then it's like $27 a month, which isn't too much money. And the really cool thing about it is it makes it not take too much time. So how does that work? Well, let's say we have it here, and this has like smartemailtool.com and, etc. in there, right? So I'm going to grab this script, copy this, paste this in, or if we go to the right spot, paste it in right here. So I cleared out the ones in there. I'm going to paste it in. Here's the script. I have my script here. I clicked on script. I pasted the script in. On video, I've selected video caption and slide animation portrait type videos, so like the vertical type videos. And for the theme, you can pick a theme. I'm going to pick like gothic inspired dark fantasy, the mystery kind of thing. For the voice, there's lots of different voices you can pick, so I'm just going to leave that. And I'm going to hit generate video, so that's click 1, and create video, that's click 2, right? So now it's beginning to create the video for us. Now this may take 10, 20 minutes. We can close the browser, we can queue up multiple of them, but literally that's it. So instead of 30 minutes to make the video, it's 2 clicks. It's literally paste in the script, generate video, click the green button, away you go. So let's watch a recent one here so you can see what it's doing.
Start with the advanced email solutions of smartemailtool.com. Add the networking genius of easywebcontactbot.com.
Okay, we don't have to watch the whole video, but you get the point. Because what's happening here is we literally pasted in a ChatGPT prompt, got a script, pasted it here, and away we go, right? And so again, this works with, whatever you want to do. Here's an affiliate, for example, that we promoted like 3 years ago. I think it was 3 years ago. Yeah, 2021. It's 2024 now. We got paid to 1,800, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 3,000. You can see all the payments right through there for over the course of the past few years now. People tend to cancel these things over time. Nothing lasts forever, but it went on for a long time, and we quit promoting it, 3 years ago. And so that's why it kind of died off here. But basically, you can promote whatever you want. And so it creates the video. Now that we have the video created, then what? Well, it literally took two clicks, and this tool will also get the script of other popular videos, which is another way that you can do it. You can go to the transcriber. I'm not going to talk really about that, but you can paste in a URL of a popular video, and then it'll get the script, and then it can rewrite the script with the enhancer slightly, and then you can put in your own websites and then generate a video. So it basically allows you to borrow the idea of something that's already working, improve it or change it some with ChatGPT, which it's what it's doing in the background. It does all that, and then make a video out of it. I did this with a couple of videos that were really popular on TikTok, and I threw it on a kind of new YouTube channel, and each video is getting 9,000, 10,000 views on the video. Some of them got like 5,000 views, but on a channel that was getting like 12, 50, sometimes 100 views on a video, and then all of a sudden it's getting thousands. Because we're just copying what's working. There's no point to reinventing the wheel. This is just sort of making it with our own twist, so all the traffic goes to our websites. So that's kind of the concept. It's not too time consuming because it just doesn't take that much time to like let ChatGPT make a script and then put it in here, right? And so you can do this if you want. You can actually hire someone to do this if you have an employee. You could, of course, do Fiverr and Upwork. Those would probably be my last choices. My first choice would be an employee or getting someone from Online Jobs PH, which is VAs in the Philippines. You can typically hire someone for, $3, $4, $5, probably not $3, $4, $5, $6 an hour. There are options for people who want to make more, but, 5, 6, 5, etc. Right? So on and so forth, right? So you can actually hire someone to run this whole system for you and create tons of videos, and then you can even schedule them out in the tool that we talked about earlier in Radar, so everything happens. So you can set up like a whole month worth of, like my VA would set up, and we do a week at a time, but so the whole next week is already set up and ready to go. And when the day comes around, all the videos just go out live, right? To the different platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, Pinterest, Twitter, and YouTube are the, I said that twice. Twitter and X are the same thing. Anyways, they go out to the big 6 platforms. Anyways, so you can have somebody else run this, right? And as far as they don't have to have any expertise for the most part, because ChatGPT is creating the scripts and the videos would be creating here. It's really just, following a standard operating procedure, SOP, like just a process that you make, and they do it. And so what is that process? Well, if you want to jump over to what I said earlier, the soaringriches.com, there's live classes where I'm teaching the process, and you can have your employee or your VA or whoever do that too if you prefer, because there's replays, right? So you can jump over here. There's a free training there as well. Here's some of what people in the classes are saying on the Zoom calls, but the replays here, you have replays for life, of course. There's weekly giveaways where we're giving away private mentorship calls. There's a private Discord group that you or the VAs, employees, etc. can join. You can get access to the Done For You marketplace, outsourcing template so that you can, have other people run it for you, and then unlimited access to the learning platform. So the point, you also get the ChatGPT script here, this 11-page prompt. I put that in the members area a couple of weeks ago. Just this week, I gave away a prompt I just built that builds all the elements you need for a Facebook page, so you can crank out unlimited Facebook pages without having to worry about it or think about it. It just does all that work for you. So there's constantly new things being added to the bootcamp, and you can jump in and have your assistant or whoever take it, or you can take it, and then you can start making money with AI text to video. So if you join the bootcamp, I will see you in the next live class. And if not, there are lots of other videos here. At least jump over to soaringriches.com and then watch the free training that's up here at the top so you can keep learning. And I will see you either in the next live class or in the next video. And happy earning. You can have even more, and it's easy. There's a subscribe button down below. Find it now and click it right now. And after you click subscribe, click the bell right next to it. And now, here's a couple other videos that YouTube thinks is best for you.